Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv. Thanks for joining us today as we take a closer look at the Consciot CB08 11-piece blender, a product that's caught the attention of many for its promise of versatility and powerful performance in the kitchen. Whether you're blending smoothies, shakes, frozen drinks, or even baby food, this blender seems to have it all. Let's see if it lives up to its hype. The Consciot CB08 is designed to tackle a variety of kitchen tasks. At the heart of this blender is a robust 900-watt motor capable of reaching speeds up to 25,000 RPM, providing ample power to blend even tough ingredients like ice and frozen fruits. It's built with a full copper motor, which ensures efficiency and durability, qualities you typically look for in a blender that's expected to handle daily use. The blender comes with an innovative asymmetric stainless steel blade that blends at 4 distinct angles, designed to pull ice into the center and power through ingredients for a smoother blend. And if you've had trouble with ingredients sticking or uneven blending, you'll appreciate the unique flow-disturbing structure on the cup, which gathers ingredients and helps ensure a more consistent and efficient blending process. Now we all know that safety and ease of use are critical in any kitchen appliance. The Consciot CB08 includes hands-free operation with safety micro switches, which makes it incredibly intuitive to use. Just lock the cup into the base, twist, and press to start blending. No complicated settings or buttons. And for those of you who like your kitchen gadgets to last, the overheat protection feature ensures that the blender won't overheat during extended use, and the non-slip suction feet keep it firmly in place, even when things get a little intense in the blending process. In terms of cleanup, the Consciot CB08 promises simplicity. After you're done, just add a drop of dish soap and some water, and it will clean itself in seconds. All the parts, including the cups, lids, and blade assembly, are dishwasher safe, making maintenance a breeze. So far, this blender has a lot of potential, but how does it perform in real-world use? After putting this blender to the test for a few weeks, I can confidently say that it handles a range of tasks effortlessly. I started with basic smoothies, frozen berries, a bit of yogurt, and some almond milk, and the Consciot blended everything smoothly, with no chunks of ice or fruit left behind. The motor is powerful, and the blades seem to work exactly as promised, with no stalling or excessive noise. When it came time to test frozen drinks, I used some crushed ice and a few chunks of fruit, and again, it was impressive. No ice chunks remained, and the texture was silky smooth. The hands-free operation worked just as it should, making the entire process seamless, which was a nice touch. However, when I tested it with something a bit tougher, say frozen spinach and tougher veggies for a smoothie, it took a little more effort. The blender managed to break everything down, but it took a little longer than I expected. That said, the asymmetric blade and turbulent structure definitely helped to move the ingredients around in the cup, keeping them from sticking to the sides. It's still very much a powerful blender, but it's something to keep in mind if you're frequently blending tougher, fibrous ingredients. In terms of the accessories, I have to say the 11-in-1 combo is a standout feature. You get multiple cup sizes, 700 milliliter, 500 milliliter, and 300 milliliter, each with their own lids, which means you can blend, take your smoothie to go, and not worry about spills. The added bonus of a resealable lid and blade-based seal ring replacement is a nice touch for anyone who plans on using the blender daily. Now, let's talk about some of the pros and cons of this blender. On the positive side, the powerful motor, asymmetric blade design, and hands-free operation are clear advantages. The motor provides consistent power, even for frozen ingredients, and the unique blade structure really does enhance blending efficiency. Plus, the self-cleaning feature is incredibly convenient, saving time after each use. The compact design means it doesn't take up much space on your counter, and the included accessories make it very versatile for different tasks. On the flip side, the noise level could be a concern for some. While it's not excessively loud, it's definitely noticeable when blending tougher ingredients. Another downside I found was the blend time for tough veggies. It can take a little longer to break down items like frozen spinach. While this wasn't a deal breaker for me, it's something to keep in mind if you plan to blend dense ingredients often. Also, if you're looking for a high-end professional-grade blender for something like nut butter or advanced food processing, this may not be the best fit. When it comes to value for money, the Consciot CB08 seems to strike a decent balance. At the 900-watt power level and the wide array of accessories included, it's competitively priced for what it offers. If you're comparing it to other blenders in the same price range, this one stands out for its self-cleaning feature, multiple to-go cups, and high-powered motor. It competes well with other mid-range blenders, especially when you factor in the overall versatility. However, if you're willing to spend a little more, there are options that might handle the toughest blending tasks even better. Think of some of the higher-end Vitamix or Ninja models. But for someone who just wants a solid, reliable blender for smoothies, shakes, and everyday kitchen tasks, the Consciot CB08 hits the mark. When comparing it to similar blenders, the Ninja BN701 and Magic Bullet Pro are two key competitors. Both have comparable power levels, but the Consciot offers better versatility with its multiple cups and hands-free operation. On the other hand, the Ninja model tends to be a bit quieter and offers more specialized blending options. If you're looking for an ultra-quiet experience, the Ninja might be a better choice. But for the price, the Consciot certainly holds its ground. As for build quality, this blender feels solid. The motor base is sturdy, and the cups are made of high-quality plastic that feels durable. The non-slip feet keep it in place, and the added protection features like overheat protection give me confidence in its longevity. While I haven't had it long enough for long-term reliability testing, based on its construction and the materials used, it seems like it could hold up well over time. I didn't have to contact customer service for any issues, but Consciot has a solid reputation when it comes to customer support, and they claim to address any issues promptly. It's always nice to know that the brand has your back if you need help. In terms of updates, there's no need for firmware or software updates with this product. It's a straightforward blender, after all. But if you do need any part replacements or updates to the product, Consciot provides extra seals and rings, which is always a good sign. To wrap things up, the Consciot CB08 11-piece blender is a solid contender in the personal blender space. It's powerful, versatile, and has a unique design that makes blending smooth and easy. It's not perfect. Some blending tasks take a little longer, and it's a bit noisy when processing tough ingredients, but for the price and versatility, it delivers solid performance. This blender is perfect for someone who wants a dependable and easy-to-use option for everyday blending tasks, without breaking the bank. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in the Consciot CB08, check out the link in the comments box. Feel free to share your thoughts or experiences if you've used this product. Until next time, this has been Reviews Inside TV, where we bring you the reviews inside so you can make better buying decisions.